Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a MacBook Air. First, carefully unbox your new device and connect it to a power source using the included adapter. Then, press the power button to start the initial setup assistant. You'll be prompted to select your preferred language and region. Finally, connect to your home Wi-Fi network to ensure you have internet access for the next steps. This process is quick and straightforward. Next, you'll decide if you want to transfer data from an old computer or start fresh. If transferring, follow the on-screen prompts. Then, sign in with your Apple ID or create a new one. This is crucial for accessing Apple services. After reviewing the terms, you can set up Touch ID, allowing you to unlock your Mac and make purchases with just a touch of your finger, offering both convenience and security. Now, let's secure your new MacBook Air. Create a strong, unique password for your user account to protect your data. It's also highly recommended to enable File Vault, which encrypts your entire disk, adding an extra layer of security. Afterward, personalize your experience by choosing a desktop background and arranging your dock. Adjusting display settings, like brightness, ensures comfortable viewing for hours of use. Finally, ensure your MacBook Air is ready for daily use. Head to the App Store to download any essential applications you need for work or play. Always check for and install the latest Mac OS software updates to keep your system secure and running smoothly. Configure iCloud to seamlessly sync your photos, documents, and contacts across all your Apple devices. Explore the powerful pre-installed apps like Safari and Pages.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.